Take command of the road in the 2006 Chevrolet Uplander. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. This model accommodates 7 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a trip computer, heated door mirrors, rear parking sensors, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and rear side impact airbags, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.